Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I do my brow. I'm not going to be doing any intro. If you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. I'm going to be showing you the things I need to get my brow on fleek, to get my brow popping. You don't have to use the same product. I'm only showing you how I get my brow snatched. Okay, I'm going to be needing 3 brushes. The first one, I'm needing my spoolie. I'm using it to brush my brow in place to direction which my brow is going to, and the other one is to fill in the products on my brow. You guys have seen me a couple of times use this brush from BH Cosmetic, which is the flat synthetic brush. This is what I use to clean my brow, to apply concealer on my brow. To set my brow in place, I use this Alvede brow gel from DM, which is from drugstore, and in the shade brunette number 2, brown number 2. It's written brown. So I use this to set my brow, so my brow will stay in place. If you're interested, you want to see how I get my brow snatched, how my brow pop, just keep watching. So the reason why I'm going to be using foundation, because this foundation is kind of a bit closer to my skin tone, and it's also a dry foundation because I have an oily brow. So with this, it's going to control the oil coming out from my brow. Okay, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Foundation in number 420.